kind of micless today, so we're gonna have to run it like close.
We're close now.
But we're in the mighty Braintree town, which is definitely a place that exists. As we can see. Not even here 20 seconds, we've got some NPC going. Today we're doing a charity shop challenge. Basically, I've dragged Harry out to be a cameraman. How are you feeling? You good?
I'm so excited.
You meant to nod the camera, bro. You good? Okay, so, and we've got Max here as well. And they're gonna help me pick a charity shop fit. We're gonna see if charity shopping actually gets you anywhere. Actually gets you anything. We're gonna go to this charity shop first, and we're gonna go to like 2 or 3 and see what's up. Braintree town is basically Turkish barbers and charity shops, which is, you know, the lineup you want from a lovely area such as this. As you can tell, we're very friendly here. Nothing to be scared of. We're a Tommy Robinson visit. You know, it's a good place when that happens. That, you know where we're going, and it's gonna be sick. Budget I have for this video is like 30 quid, mainly because I'm broke. We're gonna get, I don't even know, should I get like a full outfit?
I was trying to.
Yeah, but I feel like
Maximise.
Maximise. Why are you looking at bras, bro? But no. Can we be appropriate? This might be a cup. Bro, this is hard. £3, mate. Audi Mania Limited Edition. This is hard. What are we thinking? Is this a good start?
It's a start.
It's certainly a start. Okay. We've got item number 1. Like I say, we're going to go through a few, so...
Get accessorised. Low-key little crop top.
That kind of goes hard, I won't even lie. The thing I'm really worried about is shoes, bro. They're going to have nothing my size. Because that's actually... Yeah, it's kind of important. The things I need, I need actual gym shoes.
Court shoes, but we've got that.
Size it? 15 quid. That's half my budget, bro. What's a US tech? I would fit them, to be fair. The Russian hats, bro. Low-key, I could just smart fit it out. I could get a blazer. Yeah, they'll definitely have ties as well. That's not a fedora. Jesus.
Milady.
I don't associate with him normally.
This is very funny.
We've got to check the CDs as well. What are you doing? Bank of Dad.
Slow Jack.
It might be a sperm bank.
Wow. Katie Price autobiography.
Katie Price autobiography goes crazy.
I can't say.
Where is
that
it?
Is my first choice for a book.
Jack D. Who's Jack D? Okay. Yeah.
There's some sketches that you can fit into.
Oh, they look my size. Yes. Oh, accessory. I could firm this as the accessory. I feel like this is yeah, it's not a bad shout, is it? How much is it?
It's a pretty decent scarf.
It's alright. 18 quid. It's 18 quid. Oh wait, no, it's not. £5. Yeah, I think we found the scarf. This would be a hard accessory, wouldn't it?
I'll take it in the back.
Excuse me, can I just
Sorry, gang. The hair's not hairing today. The weather's not weathering.
Easy E. Ruthless. My style as a juvenile.
I know that one. That's the song. I think we're gonna lock in the scarf, and then we'll think about the Audi hoodie. If the Audi hoodie gets sold, maybe fuming. We're gonna cop the scarf. Okay, sadly, we've got this absolute neek. Look at this T-shirt he found. That's hard as hell. How much was it?
£3.
£3. Bro, my scarf was more. That's hard.
Little bit of
croppage. We're learning to sew, if anyone's wondering. It's not going well. Okay, we're gonna head over to the next shop now, so we'll cut to there. Okay, next charity shop we're in, it's Bernardos. Right next door we've got a British Heart Foundation as well.
Double bubble Derek.
We're gonna go in there. Unfortunately, I'm currently getting battered by this guy because he's good at finding stuff.
My charity shop debut, so...
Yeah, it's mine as well, actually.
Good
Gotta respect it, gotta respect it. Okay, we'll get back to you and find some stuff. Okay, so we've had a little gander about. It's mostly women's here in Bernardos, but I've got this, like, I don't want to say it's a Carhartt jacket, like workwear jacket, but it's like, you know, it's kind of esque. It's a little bit long, but it actually does fit me. So I'm gonna cop this one, and it is £6, so we're £11 on my budget. How much you? Bro, that's hard. Get it? No, that's hard. That's actually sick.
Charity shop debut is going to be wrong.
Bro, this guy, man. These are the benefits of being like 6 foot. That is so. Nah, that's sick. Get it? That jacket is ridiculously nice.
It doesn't go.
It does. With the fit, it does. Look here. Are you seeing the video I'm seeing? Guys, let us know. What do you think of Max's fit right now? I'll put a hard edit on here. You know, like the dressing out edit. You got to pose up for it, bro. You got to prop a few fingers and shit. Right, ready? I can't wait to edit this. But I'm copping this, and he's definitely. How much is it?
I have no idea.
We've gone into 2 charity shops. None of this is plotted. We didn't do any scouting either. We just came in.
9 quid. What the fuck?
How much? 90?
9 quid.
Not 9 quid. I'm cooked in this challenge, bro. I think Max is looking in that. How much is your t-shirt?
3.
So you spent 12, and I spent 5 on this and 6 on this. So I'm on 11, Max on 12. So we've still got like 20 quid left. Okay, we're gonna go cop our stuff. Are you getting that?
I don't know. I think I'm gonna get that.
Yeah, no, that's cool. Hang it back up at least.
Yeah, I'm going to.
Okay, that's fine. We are respectful, guys. We try and take care of the environments because, you know, we work in retail, man. We know how it is. It's rough. Yeah, I'm looking in this. Max is looking in the jacket. And yeah, we're going to check out and we'll meet you guys at the next charity shop next door. Okay, store number 3. We're in British Heart Foundation. I think there's 2 here, isn't there? There's 2 in Braintree. We're in the one next to Bernardos. Max is already scouting some stuff. But in this one, I need a t-shirt because he's cooked with that Timberland t-shirt was ridiculously nice. Like, that'd be like at least 15 quid on like Vinted or something. So I need to find like a t-shirt or a nice shirt or something. Trousers, I have no idea what I'm gonna do. I might short it out, bro. I might just wear some shorts and see what's going. But yeah, we'll get to you guys when we find some good stuff. We found this champion hoodie in here. How much is it? $10?
I found myself a peacock shirt, which I think goes pleasantly well.
Yeah, and he's a bellend apparently as well. He's holding his laugh behind the camera, so that was fun to see.
Damn, everyone wants me. Is
that what you're getting?
Yes, mate.
How much is that?
4 Great British pounds.
Okay, so you're on 16.
16.
Yeah, and I'm on, this brings you up to 21? Yes, 21.
I'm almost done.
So, we've got, thing is, I don't know about getting trousers, because I know if I buy the trousers, I'll never wear them again unless I find some
Unless you
nice ones.
find something good.
Yeah, okay. So
We will try our best.
We will. Right.
See what happens.
Well, we're going to head to the till now, and then we'll run the next charity shop. So this one is the Children's Society, not the fitness training centre, just so you guys know. We've not got too many left, and they all close really early, so hopefully they've got some cool stuff in here. I need a t-shirt and bottoms, but like, I know, we might skip trousers if we can't find anything good, because we don't want to be like, ignore this guy please, bro. So if we can't find any cool trousers, we're just gonna skip them because I'd rather like not buy something that I'm never gonna wear again because the stuff I brought I'm actually gonna wear because it's kind of cool. So yeah, we'll get back to you guys if we find anything cool in here. Okay, so this one's kind of like very woman centric with this clothes in there. So we didn't get anything because, you know, I'm not in my feminine era right now. Okay guys, you should have saw the emote I did, bro. Don't clip that. Anyways. So we're gonna head over to, I think it's the last one? Yeah, because there is another one, but we went in there before and they didn't like us, so. Rhymes with Marley Spospis. Screw those guys. Screw that charity. I don't know what they donate to. Okay, so we're gonna run up to this one and we'll get back to you guys when we're there. It's the final one, so if we don't find any trousers, we'll skip trousers. I need a t-shirt. I don't know what Max needs. Just bottoms?
No, just accessory, all bottoms.
Okay, we'll get an accessory, top, jumper, and then jacket slash whatever. We'll see how it goes. Okay, so we're on a bit of a rush because 1, all the charity shop's closing soon, and 2, this guy here got a lecture because he's a nerd and he cares about his education, like all that other cringe shit. Well, Harold. Well. Oh, he wouldn't let me turn it around, but right now he is. Oh no, never mind. You're cooked. Yeah, I said you see she walked past Harry like well and then she walked to her boyfriend and stopped him. If you didn't know, Harry's name on Instagram is Goth Moth, so make of that what you will. If there's any goth girls out here, hit my boy up please. I'll drop his Insta right there. Max is going to send me a lovely video of the stuff he copped and he's going to put the fit on later, and I'll put my fit on, and then you guys, if you want, you can decide who's done it better, but it's obviously him. He got some really hard shit and I'm very annoyed about it. You know, I worked my best with my jacket and stuff. We skipped the bottoms because, let's be real, mate, you know, I don't want my knob showing, like, through my jeans. Yeah, I didn't really want my, you know, massive schlong showing for all the tight, like, clothes that I was going to wear on the bottom. So we just ditched the bottoms. I'll make a cool fit. You know, you don't need to buy the whole outfit from the charity shop. Just go pull them there, bro. A pair of jeans like 20 quid. And yeah, I'll cut to me and my fit right now, and then we'll cut to Max as well. Okay, I'm back home and I'm mic'd up now. Woo, I actually have my mic. So, I have my completed fit. I'm gonna get Max to complete his fit as well. We've chosen some shoes and some other accessories and stuff just to make a full outfit, just to show you guys that it is doable to make a full outfit, mostly full outfit from charity shop stuff, because my entire top half is all charity shop shit. So yeah, we're gonna do a little fit showcase. We got the scarf on, we got the champion hoodie, we got the jacket I got as well, we got a nice t-shirt. And then on the bottom, we've got some jeans with my Addy 2000s as shoes. I'm going to try and show you guys in the mirror, but yeah, this is the fit. Whoa, I'm actually very impressed with that. Honestly, I think we've done really well here. Like, scarves are really versatile. You can basically just do, like, whatever with them. I've been put onto scarves recently, guys, okay? You know, I'm new here, just allow me. The jacket, it's a little long, I won't lie. That's because I'm a midget, though. I can't really do much about that. You know, standing at a mighty 5'8" right now. I feel like we've done quite well here. This hoodie's actually really nice as well. I mean, it's a champion hoodie, so obviously it's going to be at least a little bit decent. And the logo's discreet, so it's just like a nice jumper. If you guys are wondering what jeans these are, I think these are Pull & Bear, like baggy skater fit. Then the shoes are Addy 2000s. I'd give this one, I don't know, jacket's a little long. I need to learn how to properly style a scarf. I don't know, I'll give this fit, I'll give it a 7. I think it's alright, but it's not bad, you know. I will cut to Max if he's decided to send me his outfit, and you guys can decide who has a better outfit, me or Max. Okay, I'm going to cut to Max now.
Hello people, so this is the final outfit. Ignore the fact I'm not wearing jeans. Reese, insert PNG picture of some jeans. Sick edit. Oh, wait, oh. Thank you and good night.
Okay, that is the end of the video. Thank you so much, everyone, for tuning into this one. Thought it'd be a bit of a different video, you know, do some shopping and shit like that. I'm usually just roaming about and doing stuff, but I thought a bit of a different video, showcase the hometown. I'm aware it's a shithole, but, you know, I'll work with what I have. But I'm sorry if the audio was a bit crap in this video as well. I didn't bring my mics. I'm sorry, guys. I'll try and do my best to amend it, but thank you guys for watching. I'll see you next week. Don't know what video we're doing next week, but it'll be a banger, so yeah, I'll see you guys soon.